What a beautiful morning in paradise. Yep, still at the rowing club. Hello, birdie. What are you doing under my van? Eh? Oh, not frightened of me. Yeah, at the rowing club, Hereford. And it's a little bit chilly. The sun has come out once, but the weatherman said it's going to shine all day, and there's a few clouds up there. The rowers are already out on the river. Well, I've just walked over. Well, I can go into the loo I am, but I did text little Will. What is it, Will's Adventures or something? And a little bugger, he drove down in the night. I don't know, God knows what time he got here, but I ain't gonna wake him up yet. It's 10:15, so we'll leave him have a rest. Yeah. Just look at the bloody tyres he's got on it. Just look at the state of those. It's got to sound like a Land Rover in there. Damn, my ears is like. Can't film because of copyrights. Well, this thing was it's an ex-library it is, and he hand painted it with a ruler. And myself, I think he has done bloody brilliant. That's graphics, but I think he's done a beautiful job. And he said it took two tins of paint. I mean, he's got it on the rubbers and that around there, but he said it took 2 tins of paint, one in the dark grey, one in the light grey. He's got a good circle there. Still see the tape marks. Yeah, still in bed. He's done a good job of it though. I really admire him for that. I mean, you can get good jobs with a roller, so, you know, especially on an old van. Brilliant. It is brilliant. There are a few still up. Motorhomers, YouTubers, pissed up, flat out. We have got Lou surfaced. Will won't surface until midday. Here's little Will. Hello, little Will.
Hello, guys.
Right, so what do you use to edit your videos with?
I use my iPad, and I use a program called iMovie.
iMovie, right.
Yeah.
And you're having problems with being able to put the writing to be able to make a decent thumbnail?
Yeah, I don't know how it all works yet. I've been using it for a while. I've just worked out recently how to put music to the videos.
Over it, yeah, we had noticed that, yeah. It does help if you don't put the same record over the entire video.
Yeah, I haven't worked out how to do that yet.
Change the record every now and then. I did notice that, but yeah, so if anybody has got an old laptop that's still working but sort of out of date, Will is looking for another laptop. He hasn't got one, and I think, you know, with using Windows Movie Maker or something like that, he could do a lot better video. So if you have got one, put it in the comments, I'll pass it on to him.
Thank you.